cold and wet and rainy.
Like the Netherlands.
The Bay of Islands apparently. But yeah, the weather is absolutely crap. So we're not stopping. So we haven't actually got a lot to report. We've been in Auckland past couple of days and Hamilton and doing nothing. And today's the first day we're actually driving up north to the Cape, and we're stopping in Waitangi. And here we're at a Māori museum, so we're going to check what it's all about. But the weather this morning and all last night, it's been raining for like 16 hours, really bad. So that is what it's meant to look like because of the storm. Wow. Little toasties for lunch, salami and cheese. St. Paul's. It won't be much of a view, but it's so loud. It says 20 minutes, but apparently it's half an hour. It's a bit wet, a bit slippy. I'm doing it by myself. Gives us something to do today. Fair play. It's pretty steep. I'm out of breath. I made it to the top, and the rain and the wind's coming in. It's actually really nice after a bit of a hard climb. Look at the hair. But yeah, good. It's a horrible view, but I can't imagine it when it's nice and sunny. But a whole 360. And all the way down there, that's where you start, and you come all the way around. But you can't really see it. The river mouth starts over there. With that massive storm last night, it's very brown. You can see an actual line. All the way down there. Tiny little spot. I would say it's clearing up just a little bit. With the clouds passing through, you can see a bit further. Reminds me of Picton. The sounds. Not as big. He's funny. Look at this bastard. Big, ugly kid. Doing some editing. And you got me bloody seat already. Okay, now. So I gave him half the tub of bloody sesame seeds whilst we were having dinner. And he's back for bloody more, eh? Big brainhead, I don't even know what that is. So today, sun's out, and we're going sandboarding. Oh, he dropped my phone. Jesus. We're going sandboarding. Got our little sandboard, and we've got some big dunes. Only $15 to hire a board as well. It's pretty good. There we go.
To go to the water?
Check that out. There we go. Off-road. So Destiny's the surfer. She might be better than me with her balance.
Why, are you gonna stand and go down?
Nah, I'm too scared. Time to climb the first one. So we've been to Bluff, and now we're at the most northern end. Lovely. Got a friend on a lunch stop. Smells the steaks. Hello.
Oh, chilling.
Steak and cheese pitches. Now, buddy, unreal. Might take it with us.
It's so beautiful. Look at you.
Real fruit ice cream. Unreal. So good. Oh. Based up for the night. Nice cold Carlsberg. Little campsite. Not too shabby, eh? Another one.
Snowy.
He loves me. Hello. Can I pet that dog? Hey. So we're nearing the end of our road trip. We're coming down from the far north of the North Island of bloody New Zealand, and we're just in Awani now, having a coffee, something like that.
Where?
Awani, I think it's called. And then we need to be in Auckland tomorrow for a viewing for our car in the afternoon. So it's like 5 hours to get there, but I'm going to break it up halfway, stay outside of Auckland, and free camp where we stayed the other night at.
No, we're not going there.
Near there.
Yeah.
In Whanganui or something. So yeah,
Next to the groceries.
2.5 hour drive now. Pretty warm, which is nice. And fine old one, say.
Feyenoord, hooligans. Feyenoord, hooligans.
What was the score?
3-0.
This is Bayern, big result. So we're gonna get some tunes on now. Some hardcore. What's it called? Where you dance like that?
Hakken.
Okay. Making salami toasties again. I'm at the waterfall, which we didn't go to the other day because the weather's nice, so it should be good. Gosh.